Morning, glad you made it. Head on through, wash bay's clear.
All right, thanks.
We'll see you later.
Meet Emma, the young farmer managing this massive operation. Inside these barns, animals live in carefully designed environments. Automated feeding systems keep every animal healthy and strong.
Ducks on this farm produce thousands of eggs every week.
Every egg is carefully collected and prepared for market.
These chicken houses are designed for efficient egg production.
The count is steady at 2,500.
All right, let's monitor the sorting mechanism for the next hour.
Buffalo on this farm produce rich milk for dairy products.
Modern milking machines collect milk quickly and safely.
Dairy cows are another important source of milk production.
Fresh milk is immediately cooled to preserve perfect quality.
Goats on this farm are raised for both milk and meat production.
Regular veterinary care ensures all animals remain healthy.
Vaccinations protect the farm's animals and ensure their well-being.
Digital systems track every animal and production level with precision. Over time, the animals grow stronger and more productive.
Sheep wool is collected and prepared for processing.
Each batch of wool is carefully sorted and stored for future use. Every product is labeled and prepared carefully for market delivery.
We have a consistent fill level on this batch.
Yes, the calibration is holding steady.
Products are stored in temperature-controlled facilities to maintain freshness. Farm management software tracks inventory and sales in real time.
Transport trucks arrive to collect the farm's fresh products for delivery. Carefully packed goods are loaded and prepared for market delivery. From here, farm products travel to markets across the region.
That'll be $3.50.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Do you have any more of the cheddar?
Careful accounting ensures every part of the farm remains profitable.
Every day, the farm follows a carefully planned routine to thrive. Hay and feed are carefully managed to keep all animals nourished. As the sun sets, the farm prepares to rest and rejuvenate for tomorrow. Careful tracking of production ensures the farm runs smoothly and profitably. Every animal is cared for, ensuring a balanced and thriving farm ecosystem. Subscribe for more amazing farm animal documentaries and insights.